Shipping manifest is a document with a confirmed list of order shipments to be shipped on a particular day. In general, carriers require shippers to print out a manifest at the end of the day and pass to the carrier for verification. Here, it is important for you to note that manifests are mandatory for shipping carriers such as DHL e-commerce, Australia Post, USPS, Royal Mail and Canada Post. Now let's see how to print shipping manifests in Orderhive. Go to Shipments and click on Manifests. A pop-up window will emerge named Shipping Manifest. Here, you need to close Manifest, which will enable Orderhive to send those shipments to respective carrier for verification. Once verified, it can be downloaded from Orderhive. As you see here, you can close today's and yesterday's shipments only. Here, Orderhive lets you select the shipments which are to be shipped from different warehouses along with the corresponding carriers. Proceed by selecting a particular warehouse and a corresponding shipping carrier. This will display a list of all outgoing shipments. Simply click on Close Manifest as you hand over the shipment to the respective courier personnel. After closing manifest, Orderhive allows you to download the manifest, which you can further print as you need. Lastly, click on Done. This is how a shipping manifest looks. That's all you do to download and print shipping manifests. Hope this was an easy one. If you need any more clarity, hit the chat button now. Happy shipping and happy selling!